Okay folks, this will be an interesting one. Let's see if we can make this one turn up a treat. This will be a challenging one, but let's see how we go. Okay, let's see what it is. It is some kind of camisole, a lace camisole. We're interested in this lacy shit down the bottom there. So I'm just going to pick it up by the lace and hang it up on, put it up on the glass. So I'm just going to just line that up nicely. Hopefully I can make it look nice. So I can make it look really good. Hear the birds calling. Ah, fuck. I know how you want to bump buttons. I think 400% might be too large, to be honest, folks. Yeah, that's come up looking really quite interesting. Got a bit of a mark, a bit there that we don't want. Just a bit of a rumple. Yeah, that rumple is there, so I'll just flatten it out. I might make it less than 400%. Yeah, that's come up looking better, just a tad, I do think. I do wonder where the centre of the job is actually going to be. I'm going to try and do it one way first. I can hear magpies calling once again. So that's these two. Ah, fuck, I touched something. I bumped that dumb auto rotate button. I just hate this, the way this photocopier is set up, the way that it's made, should I say. It's really quite badly designed, really not well thought out. They don't put new features in. They do sometimes in some models take features out in a vain attempt to make it more user-friendly, but then you lose the adjustments and all the fancy stuff that makes it more interesting if you're a person like myself. But photocopiers should use artificial intelligence. There's a lot of artificial intelligence being utilised now, and yet the photocopier industry hasn't shown any actual signs of that they're using it. It's just shit, and they don't know how to build anything good. So the industry's full of bullshit. It's full of crap, and they just don't know how to make these equipments last long enough as well. And that's come up looking quite a treat. I think we're going to go and do a switcheroo, because I think that's got to be a better centerpiece. But that looks good. But basically, I really wish the photocopier industry could stop being so obsessed with money and think about how to improve things for the environment, for the human race. To think of the future and not just talk about the future, not just pretend that using it as a marketing device, which is what Konica Minolta are good at. But basically, yeah, that's the company that manufactures this machine, and they stopped manufacturing the spare parts for it in March, apparently, I heard yesterday. So yeah, and that's come up looking a real treat. I think we can now call this demo quits.